My name is William Park. I'm the president of Acate Amazon Conservation here in Peru. Today I'd like to tell you a little bit about the importance of our project with native communities in the Marañón River. So one is the areas along the major rivers and throughout the Amazon basin tend to be the areas with the highest levels of deforestation. These forests, which contain a mixture of aguaje and other tree species, tend to be some of the most biodiverse in the Amazon and also contain some of the highest levels of carbon ever recorded in a terrestrial ecosystem. The palladium carbon offset program in the Cocama native communities along the Marañón River has numerous advantages. The first advantage is that the soils promote the rapid growth of trees, and therefore we can sequester a lot of carbon quickly and in a small area. The second advantage is that the species we're using are all native species, so the area will have high levels of biodiversity and really can be considered an ecological restoration project. The third advantage is that the species are also commercially valuable to the native community. So the project, from the vantage point of the community, has a strong commercial aspect. The ecological restoration and carbon sequestration area will produce more income for the community than their traditional farms of corn, bananas, and cassava. Given our current situation, simply protecting the existing forests is not sufficient. We must regenerate degraded lands to avoid climate catastrophe. Based on our long experience working in the region and in close collaboration with the community, we have developed a restoration plan that will maintain a high-quality matrix, provide for the economic needs of the community, and offset carbon emissions. "36 families are participating to restore 40 hectares of deforested land. All the seeds used in the project are native species and were collected in the area. The tracts of land selected for reforestation are representative of vast deforested areas in the Amazon, and the techniques and innovations developed during the project will be invaluable for future projects. Areas with dense stands of Cecropia, an early colonizer species, are ideal for accelerated successional agroforestry. Areas with Japanese knotweed and Caña Brava will provide a model for the restoration of lands plagued by invasive weeds. Areas with Heliconia and other shrubs, along with completely denuded areas, provide further reforestation pathways. The project area is an important example of an intact ecosystem that is also a commercial production site. The presence of a nesting harpy eagle in the area is strong evidence of intact biodiversity. The community engagement and economic incentives make for a durable solution to the ecological crisis and a perfect proving ground for a natural capital model.